morning, everyone. Assalamu alaikum, and first of all, Eid Mubarak to everyone, mashallah. I'm Qaisra Shahraz, it's a bit difficult for her to say. And as she said, I'm the founder and director of Macfest. And it's been an honor and real privilege to have your college and your group of colleges, Stockport, Revolt, taking part in Macfest since the second year of Macfest, since 2018. Absolutely thrilled. You know, you are our favorite group of colleges. I'm really so impressed by the quality of the events and the fact you host this day right across your colleges, right across the 4 campuses in 1 week. And the event you do is exactly what Macfest is about. Macfest is about celebrating art and culture with a special focus on Muslim heritage. I set this up in 2017 after the Revolt attack, trying to tackle Islamophobia and anti-Muslim hatred together under one roof. I'm a former myself, teacher trainer, officer inspector, so I knew the festival has to be hosted in colleges. But this is where your people are, young people. You are the future generation, a generation who should promote peace and harmony within our communities, and above all, celebrate diversity. And that's what we've been doing for 8 solid years. And your college has done a tremendous job to be part of it. This is our brochure. Your college is in here as a part of a youth festival. And we are here today. We have 4 places to choose from. And we chose Stockport College. And we are here to celebrate all the wonderful things you've done. And I want to thank you, congratulate the students who have put this together, organized it together, to make this an amazing event. And of course the staff. Without the staff, you can't do it. So really, really thankful to you. It's an honor and a privilege and a great celebration from Macfest. We are taking lots of pictures. And I've noticed you've got a selfie frame, your own selfie frame. We will be using it to take pictures of everyone. And we will have a peace banner saying spread honey not hate. We love you to take part in that. We are recording everything and we'll put it on our Macfest YouTube channel. So well done everybody, congratulations, and thank you so much for inviting us to be part of the celebration. Thank you.
I just want to say a huge thank you that have come here today to celebrate such a fantastic event. Hope you enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Big round of applause for everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So our first event is Indian Dance Society performance. To kick things off, we have a very special performance for you. Please give a warm welcome to our special guest from the University of Manchester, the Indian Dance Society. Please clap for them.
Hi, I'm Bhavesh.
I'm Vilakshi.
I'm Sayana, and we are from the Indian Dance Society of the University of Manchester.
We're so excited to be performing at the Macfest today.
We hope everyone had a wonderful Eid and we're great to see you guys here. So thank you for having us, Stockport College.
Thank you.
So today we are celebrating Macfest. I'm here with some patrons, just for modesty. And I have my small business here, to live in your community. And we are so grateful to promote the Sunnah, the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Julia Zambul. I am in Stockport College today. I'm participating in Macfest and I'm doing the henna therapy. It's one of the beautiful cultural things that we do for events and celebrations. I'm really having fun and I hope everyone likes the henna.
Things change. Sometimes, new people come and, offers change. So it's always.
Last question, guys.
We lost. I'm getting all these questions in my box.
Okay, now I am calling the founder and director of Macfest to give the prize to the winner.
Yeah.